Well, we're on week 7 of the construction. I don't have a camera person today, so I'm getting the arm's length camera person. We have insulation, and the truck is here. J&L insulation, and I will take you inside. We still have a lot of the construction materials around. This is our insulation that's going in. And there's a variety of levels, R11, there's R6, and I'll take you inside the house, but they're slowly coming in. Well, we're back inside and got our electrician still working, but as you can tell, we have insulation going up into the ceiling, on the walls, and we'll also be going in between the bedrooms. We're now in the master bedroom, and as you can see, it's a vaulted ceiling. All of the insulation up there. You can also see last week we were putting in the speaker templates, and so we'll put insulation around those, and they also are putting them around the lights, and all of the lights are actually, there's a flammable rating that they have for insulation and the lights and things like that, because you don't want your house burning down. So again, this whole room is completely insulated. And as we go towards the master bathroom, same thing, into the ceiling, around the lights, around the speaker, and should be getting insulation between the walls. Besides the insulation that's going on in the house today, we actually had to build stairs out from the dining area. This was a requirement because there was a gap of too many inches from the door and stepping down. So if a door swings out, you have to have a landing 3x3, and so we just had to play the game with the city. A new inspector came out yesterday. We also had delivered, this is your sheetrock. This is actually the wall material, and these are 4x12s, long pieces, which make it easier and faster to be putting up sheetrock. So that should be happening soon after all of the insulation is in. We're back outside, and with that landing that I was talking about from the garage, this is the door to the master bedroom, and we also have to build a deck that for stairs actually. And so what the contractor did was they put in some footings into the ground, concrete, and then those wood will be attached to that, so you don't have direct wood contact onto the ground, which means that your materials would be deteriorating a lot faster. We're actually won't be crawling under here, but that's one of the openings again under the house. And inside there we will also have insulation under, so the house will be completely insulated, ceilings, walls, and the underside, so the temperature of the house should probably not vary that much. So since we do have access right now, typically people don't insulate under the floors, but since we have access and we have a lot of crawl space under there, we're going to go ahead and insulate it. It's a inexpensive measure, but it will keep your cooling bills down. We're now on the other side of the house. The door on the left there, that is from the bedroom, and the door on the right is from the kitchen, and we also had to build a landing here as well. So again, we're putting the footings into the ground, the concrete and the metal bracings that are there. Again, the wood will connect to those bracings, keep it off the ground so they're not going to wear quickly to the water. It depends if I'm using wood or a Trex material. Slowly pan out here. I actually do have some green space in the backyard, so eventually I'll have to get over here, and there's my lovely neighbor's garage. It's very pretty. We'll be doing a lot of decorating around that, but coming along, we should be having sheetrocking coming in most likely next week. And this is Jonathan Olow signing out for week number 7 of my progress. Coming along great. We haven't had any rain, so that's a great thing. We're working mostly inside, but I look forward to sending you off a message next week. Have a great week. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to call me, 619-823-9900. Love to give you a tour.